Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Optimizely to your landing pages for UX experiments step by step clearly. To connect Optimizely to your landing pages for UX experiments, start by logging into your Optimizely account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the project you want to work on. Click on the Create Experiment button to begin a new experiment. Choose the type of experiment you want to run, such as A/B testing or multivariate testing. Enter a descriptive name for your experiment to keep things organized. Next, specify the URL of the landing page you wish to test. Optimizely will automatically validate the page to ensure it can be tracked. Once your page is validated, proceed to the Variations section. Here, you can create different versions of your landing page. Make your changes to each variation using the visual editor. Use the editor to modify elements such as text, images, or calls to action. After creating your variations, navigate to the Targeting section. Define your audience by setting targeting criteria, such as geographic location or device type. In the Traffic Allocations section, decide how much traffic will be directed to each variation. This will help you control the split between the original and modified pages. Next, set the experiment's start and end dates to manage its duration. Review all settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once you are satisfied, click on the Start Experiment button to launch. After your experiment goes live, monitor its performance through the Analytics dashboard. Review metrics like conversion rates and user interactions to gauge success. Be prepared to make adjustments based on the data collected. Finally, once complete, analyze your findings to inform future UX strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.